Nzambi Makers is a company that transforms plastic waste into sustainable building materials. The company was founded by an innovator whose sole goal is to conserve the environment through sustainability and innovation. Nzambi Matee is a Kenyan innovator and founder of Nzambi Makers, a company that makes good use of waste plastic materials by recycling them to manufacture building materials.
My name is Nzambi Matee, founder of Nzambi Makers Limited. Nzambi Makers is an alternative building product manufacturing company. We are based here in Nairobi, Kenya, in industrial area. And in terms of existence, we've been in existence for 7 years, but in terms of operation, we've been in operation for 5 years.
She has inspired many people, from the young to the old, men and women, through her achievement, advocacy, and commitment to environmental sustainability.
The journey all started with a question of what if I could convert plastic into something useful? What if? And this what if came after a series of thinking and a series of speculations.
Nzambi has broken barriers in a male-dominated industry, putting off stereotypes and demonstrated that women can occupy the space and make a difference.
As you know, Jijenge comes from the term build yourself, and that is what we drive and pride ourselves. Everything we have in-house here, we build ourselves. And we ourselves as a team want to also build ourselves, not only to be the best within the alternative industry, but also to be the best at what we do.
Nzambi's work in transforming plastic waste into building materials highlights the importance of sustainability and environmental conservation. Her success showcases how innovative solutions can address pressing environmental issues.
In our value chain of collecting plastics, we are able to work with the waste pickers directly or indirectly by aggregating and collecting the plastic that they already aggregated and converting the plastic into affordable building material. So in that, we buy the plastics from them. Since we buy everything they aggregate and collect within the areas, and we process those plastics that we have been able to buy from them. By this, it's a source of their income, because at the end of the day, we pay them for every kilo that we buy, we bought of plastic, and we are able to process. We are also a team of 30 individuals, 30 youth, throughout our directly employed, and within our value chains we are more than 30, because we have different suppliers of plastics. Yeah.
Nzambi Makers provides employment opportunities, empowering people economically and socially. By training and employing them in a company, Nzambi helps them acquire valuable skills in manufacturing and technology, contributing to their personal and professional growth.
Mimi nafanya kazi hapa na Nzambi kama plastic experts. Nilipata kazi hapa Nzambi nikitoka kwa dump site. Kwa dump site ile kubwa hapa Nairobi inaitwa Mukuru kwa Dadora. So I was working in the dump site for many years. Na wakati Nzambi walikuja kutembea huko kwa dump site wakitafuta plastic. That's when I met Nzambi. Nzambi met me in the dump site. He was interested kupata mtu ambaye anajua kazi ya plastic. And I've got experience working with plastic for this many years. So I want a chance of working here in Nzambi as a plastic expert. Because Nzambi deals with plastic to produce pavers. So they had need to get somebody who deals with plastic, who can provide guidance to Nzambi for the right plastic to use in order to get quality pavers. So that's how I got a chance to work here in Nzambi.
Nzambi Matee's profession revolves around materials and metallurgy, having studied mechanical engineering. By default, she is basically within the range of her career, and she is adequately informed in the area.
So once you take it there, we feed it here. This is called an extruder. We feed it here. When you feed it here, it mixes the sand and the plastic together. This comes out as a play-doh like thing, kama ile ugali hivi. Also, when you need color, that's the stage where you add color. And then after that, it goes through this process. This idealist mixes it, and then the final product.
Nzambi was very worried about the rising problem of plastic waste in Kenya and throughout the world. She hoped to discover a way to lessen the environmental damage caused by plastic garbage. This informed her decision to find a way of fixing the mess. As a mechanical engineer, Nzambi was enthusiastic about applying her technical talents and experience to develop a practical, effective solution. Her expertise gave her with the required skills and knowledge to create the technology that converts plastic trash into construction materials.
Different sizes have different purposes, and the difference is the thickness. As you can see, what you have here, what varies is the thickness. The surface area remains the same, and the thickness, it's what allows it to carry a bigger load. So this carries bigger load than this. So in terms of performance, this is the one for footpaths, this is the small duty. This one is the medium, so the light duty, sorry. This one is for drivers, for households.
Nzambi has faced several challenges on her journey as an innovator and entrepreneur. These challenges span from funding, technical issues, market acceptance, and regulatory deadlocks.
For everyone who's an enthusiast, like an environmentalist and an environment enthusiast, no matter how small you do it, just do it. Like really just do it, because
despite these obstacles, Nzambi Matee's determination, creativity, and dedication to sustainability have allowed her to make great progress in tackling plastic waste and promoting sustainable building.